Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a startling revelation by the Integrity Commission about the examination of statutory declarations.
Last year alone, more than 30,000 declarations were filed. However, under 600 of the submissions have been examined.
The matter was discussed at today's sitting of the Integrity Commission Oversight Committee.
Sandy Williams explains.
Certain public servants are required to submit statutory declarations yearly to, among other things, prove that their assets were acquired legally and that they are not involved in illicit activities. According to the Integrity Commission, more than 200,000 public servants filed statutory declarations between 2018 and 2022. However, only 1,056 declarations have been examined. Director of Information and Complaints at the Commission, Craig Beresford, revealed that in 2022 alone, 44,348 public servants were required to file a statutory declaration. Of that number, 31,535 were filed, but only 563 of the declarations have been examined by the Integrity Commission. Members of the committee are concerned.
And it makes me wonder, just hearing this figure, if we're requiring so many to file, and the numbers that have actually filed against the numbers that have been reviewed, what do we need to do differently? Does it really make sense to have a model where so many people are required to file, so many comply, and then so many of the complied are not reviewed?
Mr. Beresford explains wide-scale examination started in 2021.
The problem we have is that when we start to review the declaration, some of the requirements that should have been met upon submission were not met. So we would have to write to declarants to require them to submit additional information. And that is quite a lot from our side on the one hand, but also the declarant, because the financial institutions in most cases require that they pay for certain statements, etc. And then we have the issue of declarants that require additional time. And I dare say it can take up to 6-7 months in some cases.
He adds that one individual may submit multiple declarations. Additionally,
over the years, persons have not been taking the process very seriously. So we find that a lot of declarations, we only have the name on it, nothing at all. Yes, that is what is happening. A lot of persons are not focusing on completing it properly, which means that we have to write to them and require more information.
He also insists that keen attention is given to declarations of public servants who are considered high risk, a strategy he says the Commission has employed to aid with eliminating corruption. The Integrity Commission is now looking to utilize an electronic-based filing system to alleviate the challenges.
So with the implementation of the electronic declaration system, persons now would be forced to attach the required supporting documents. Once that is done and we have all the declarations, all we need to do is third-party checks. That process will be implemented, hopefully, for the next statutory declaration period once we get the necessary approval. So we would look at those declarations. The system actually does a bit of analysis for us. So a lot of the processes will be automated, and we will be much more efficient.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.